everyone. Today we're going to be making an all-in-one chicken potato salad. So what do we need for our all-in-one chicken potato salad? 6 medium potatoes peeled and cut into 1-inch cubes. None of my potatoes are medium size, so I'll just be trying to use the equivalent of that. 10 ounces of already cooked chicken. I may cut them up into cubes, I'm not sure yet. 6 fresh asparagus cut into 1-inch pieces. 4 radishes thinly sliced. 1 cup ranch dressing. Salt and pepper to taste. So let's begin. Alright, so I have my potatoes, which I ended up using the rest of the bag, which was 12 potatoes. Some of them were very, very small. So you want to go ahead and, of course, rinse them and cut them into 1-inch cubes. Cover it with water, just barely covering the potatoes. And then go ahead and add some salt. And then cook it on high for 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so the potatoes have been boiling for 20 minutes. They are fork tender. So we'll go ahead and drain them really well and then put them into a bowl. Alright, so you want to go ahead and take your potatoes that you drained and dump them into a bowl. Add your 4 thinly sliced radishes. Add your 6 cut up fresh asparagus. Add your 10 ounces of cooked chicken. I cut them up instead of using slices. 1 teaspoon of salt. And you can do the salt and pepper to taste. 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. And the 1 cup of ranch. And then toss to coat. Now you can serve this salad warm if you like, or put it in the refrigerator and chill it until you're ready to serve. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for a little bit. And this is an all-in-one chicken salad. It has your vegetables, it has your meat, it has your potatoes. So you could still use it as a side dish, or you can use it as a meal. And we're gonna, since it's gonna be for lunch, we're gonna go ahead and just do it as a meal. And we'll serve it with some cheese, garlic bread. All right, so it is thoroughly mixed. We'll go ahead and put it in the refrigerator, and I'll be back when I'm ready to serve. All right, so here is the all-in-one chicken potato salad. And rounding out the meal is cheese Texas toast. Go ahead and get my husband to do a taste test.
Is that chunks of chicken?
It is.
Radishes are nice and crunchy. What is that?
Asparagus.
Asparagus. I did not know I liked asparagus. It's pretty good. So far, this all goes together real well. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.